Okay, right now we are going to discuss about a concept called Disavow. Okay, Disavow, which means like we are not planning to own, or we are not planning to accept that this product is mine or this information is mine or something like that. Okay, so it's basically a disavow. Okay, if you take a website, okay, the website will attract relevant customers, and the relevant customers will come to the website, and when they like the content, they will share the content to other places. So this is natural. But when your website attracts more links, there is a possibility of getting spam auto generated links. Okay, so the links may be generated due to negative SEO. Okay, negative SEO. Negative SEO means somebody wants to penalize our website. So what they do, they use auto backlinking tools. They use any online tools to generate automatic backlinks, and there will be hundreds and hundreds of backlinks being created using a robot, so automatically. So it will affect your link building velocity. When you have thousands of links being built on the same day without having more visitors, now your link building velocity is very high. So building a high amount of links within a shorter period of time, that is against Google's best practices on link building. So that may trigger penguin penalty for your website. Okay, so the links may be generated due to negative SEO. Okay, there are several techniques that are used. Okay, so people use automated link building tools, link generation tool that is not supposed to be used. People also, spam, links pointing to your website. For example, you have a website or a business, and you start receiving high number of link from a porn site or a spam site where they cheat people online, and your website is also considered one such. Okay, so like this, you will have several links being generated here. Now, what happens automatically? Disavow is a technique that is used by search engines. Okay, where you need to collect the database. Okay, database of links, database of toxic links. Okay, toxic means a link that are not healthy. Toxic links, and submit them to Google or search engines. Okay, search engines. Now, what it will do? These search engines will look into those links, and those links will be ignored. Those links will be ignored from ranking algorithm. Ranking algorithm. Okay, so let me say you have 1,000 links received from a website, and when you don't report those 1,000 links to the search engine spider, okay, the search engine spider will think as a webmaster or the property owner, you know very well that there are 1,000 links which are spammy coming in, and still you agree to this. So that is the reason you are not, disavowing those links with such an spider. So they will think, yes, you know about this incident and you are knowledgeable about it. You are not taking any action against it, which means like you are accepting that these spam links are coming with my knowledge. Now, because of which your website will be penalized and your visitors will be dropped. So it's basically this our process is given for the webmasters to report to the search engine spiders about the links which is not of good quality. Okay, so we need to report them. Okay, automatically those links will be considered as relevant or irrelevant, and any toxic link juice that is flowing from that website to your website will be ignored. Okay, by God's grace, with the recent times, Google has upgraded its algorithm to such an extent that if irrelevant, spammy, toxic links are generated to your website due to the negative SEO or any other automation practices, Google is going to ignore those links by default. However, if there are some links available in your website, okay, you need to make sure that you report these things to your search engine spider. Maybe Google, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, or any search engine spider that you have, you need to go ahead and report this one to them. That is very important. Okay, this is basically a disavow tool.